What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check this 2.1 amplifier. As you can see, that's the model, I guess, TB21H. Well, this is a very good 2.1 amplifier with the subwoofer control, frequency control, and bass treble. As you can see, treble and woofer adjustment. So very compact in size, just because this is Class D amplifier. So here you can see MP amplifier module. The price is for 999. Well, that's not the selling price. I'm going to tell you the selling price later. So now let's unbox this and check it out. Alright, so this is the amplifier kit, and the cover are separately given, the knobs and all. Here you can see the screws and all, the knobs and screwdrivers, everything. So you just need to assemble all of them all together. So here is the amplifier kit, and that's the cover plate, the bottom one and the top one with all the markings here. So let's take them out. Okay, so this is the top panel with all the markings, the power supply, speaker output, and the input, and here the Bluetooth. So this thing has the Bluetooth, I forgot to tell you, which is another add-on to this amplifier kit. And here you can see main volume and left and right channel, bass treble, and this side the subwoofer, volume and frequency control. So that's the top plate, and this one is the bottom plate. Here you can see 50 watt into 2 plus 100 watt for the subwoofer. And now this is the amplifier itself. Here you can see the main volume, 10K potentiometer, and all the other controllers are having the 50K potentiometers, bass treble, and subwoofer volume, subwoofer frequency, all are like 50K. And here you get a good size capacitor. The power rating would be 35 volt and 6800 mfd of capacitance. So here the main amplifier chip is here under this heatsink. We're going to check that later. Okay, so that's the auxiliary input, that's the USB, and the screws, these are for the speaker output. And here the socket for power supply, another round shaped socket for the power supply. So that's it. Here at this side you can see the Bluetooth is here, and on this side mic board audio in to mic board audio out. So this is for the mic board, and this side subwoofer audio output, left and right. In case if you want to connect another subwoofer amplifier or bigger active subwoofer to this one, then you can connect from here. So that's it. Now let's connect this thing. Like I'm gonna keep it here, and first of all we need the screwdriver. So this bigger pillars, they are gonna be here. Yes, okay. And then we're gonna use this small pillars through the bottom. Okay. All right. All right, now we're gonna mount the bottom plate first. Alright, so the bottom plate is ready, and now we're going to mount the top plate. Alright, so now this amplifier is ready. As you can see, it's like, so both side the ventilation is there, and the back side also, but it's covered from the bottom and the top and the front side. So you can use it just like this, or you may put it in any totally professional enclosure cabinet, amplifier cabinet, all, but you can easily use this thing just like this. So now they have given us two kind of adapter. If you have like wire for the power supply, you can connect the wires here and can use this, or else you can use this adapter, this kind of thing, just like this. So you have all kind of support and all options, so you can use it, this thing. So now I have a 12 volt 5 amp adapter. Here you can see 12 volt 5 amp. So I'm gonna connect this thing and gonna check it with my bookshelf speakers, and I have this 5-inch subwoofer. We're gonna check it all out, then we're gonna do the sound testing later, but for now let's turn this thing on and check it out. Alright, so everything is connected now. Here you can see two speaker cables are there for these two speakers, and that's a subwoofer. It's a 5-inch subwoofer. That's the power supply. Right, so now let's turn this thing on. This volume control comes with a on-off switch. Here you can so here the noise. All right, and one LED is there, right there, you can see, for the Bluetooth. So let's connect my mobile phone. So here you can see BT app. That's the amplifier. It's connected now. Let's play some songs and check the sound. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's so late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's so late. I forgot I lied to you. Who said we can forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to cut all of the strings and get attached. And you make sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you saying that. I'm aiming for some Medicare. Alright, so you heard the sound. It's like, feels like amazing. I didn't expect that kind of sound from this amplifier. And as I pause the song, and you cannot hear any noise, any humming noise or hissing noise coming from the speakers. It's amazing. And here you can see the volume is at like 30%, like that, but it's pretty loud and clear, and the highs, mids and lows, they are very good, producing through these two mini bookshelf speakers. If I connect this to a very good quality bookshelf speakers, like 6-inch or more than that, with a good quality woofers and tweeters, then it will give you much better sound. But for this speakers here, it's amazing. Alright, now let's check the subwoofer, as this is what to say, only the subwoofer driver, no boxes there, so you cannot hear the bass much more louder, but check the cone movement of it. So for the sound I just heard, I think this is a value for money. And now let me tell you the price of it. This thing cost me 2,200 on Amazon, and you might get other cards offer too. So this thing is amazing. I didn't expect that kind of sound quality and loudness and clarity and all from this very small amplifier. So this is a 12 volt 5 amp power supply. If I connect like 20 volt, 22 volt like that with 5 amp, then it will give you much more powerful sound, and I can drive much more bigger woofer. So in next video I'm going to test this thing with a 8-inch subwoofer drivers, and of course with this 2 channel speakers. As you guys know, I have tested another TPA3116D2 amplifier 2.1 long back, but that thing's level was very low and not a good one, of course. But sound quality was good enough, but there was a popping noise issue and so many things. But this thing is just amazing. You get Bluetooth and everything all, and also the metal plate is there, so you can use this amplifier just like this. You don't need any other cabinets and all. It will be better to use like this, so the ventilation would be there, but still it would be covered. So that's the nice thing, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you like my work, then you can donate anything to my channel. You'll find the payment links in the description below, and also my other channels links are there in the description. You may go there and check them out. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.